Alright, what's going on, boys and girls? We are here with a new video. Yeah, as you can tell, this is the desktop. So we're going to be talking about custom versions of Proton. So why would you use custom versions of Proton? Me personally, I always talk about I just want to sit down, plop, and play a game. And if I have to do more than 2 clicks, I don't care. Generically, that is the case. But there are some people who don't mind digging a little deeper. There are a lot of problems at times though with certain games and Proton, and generic Proton doesn't always fix them. Older versions, rolling back to older versions, doesn't fix them. So what you need to do is have certain like wine tricks or Proton tricks, or know how to fix wine prefixes and suffixes, and it's not the most end user friendly thing when you dig below like the 2-click mentality that's built into Steam. And this particular way simplifies that process a lot better. Now, the most known version, custom version of Proton is Glorious Eggroll. So here's the GitHub page, Glorious Eggroll Proton. Now, this particular release was about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, give or take. So what you do, obviously, releases, click on it, download it. It's either a TarGZ, 7-zip, zip5, whatever. Use your favorite Linux archiver app to unpack that particular folder. That will go to your downloads folder. So what I would do personally is I would extract that particular folder into my downloads file, and you will get a file/folder called Proton. In this case, it would be 5.6 TAC GE TAC 2. Now, what we're going to do with that, and this is where it gets a little more complicated. So, generically, this is Dolphin. Your certain directories and stuff and folders are hidden by default, and it's kind of annoying. So, this is my home. So, this is home. Backslash home backslash dark one ltg backslash. I need to find my Steam folder. As you can tell, defaultly I can't find a Steam folder, so Control H shows everything. So we'll go to .steam, which is where you need to go. Out of all these things, you need to go to Steam. There is this one folder right here. If it is not there already, create new folder and name it compatibilitytools.d. That file you extracted, in this case Proton 5.6 TAC GE TAC 2, you want to move from your downloads folder to this folder that you just created. Now, if you are currently logged into Steam, log out. Because Steam won't detect the change in the directory. So what we will do logging into Steam. So we'll go to my library. Let's pick a game. Let's see. We'll go to Murdered Soul Suspect properties. Now, currently, you want to right click on your game that you're looking at and go to properties. Once you're there, you'll see this little checkbox here for use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. That is generic. It uses generically the most recent version of Proton. Now, what you want to do, unless it's a Linux game, then I'll use like Steam Linux runtime. Now, what you want to do is you want to change that, because you don't want to use that and you don't want to use that, because Steam Linux runtime is for native games. 5.7, it's not what you want. So you want Proton 5.6 TAC GE TAC 2. Close. And all you do is double click on the game and click play. Obviously, I have not played this game in this particular mode, so but you guys get the idea. Your game will run, So a game like Greedfall, which requires a lot of fixes that Glorious Eggroll provides, kind of a real time saver by not having to dig all the way into Proton. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed. Hope that helps some people find some custom versions of Proton, not so much of a pain in the ass to actually roll into Steam. So you guys know what to do. I'll catch you on the flip.